sight.
Grow. Nigga wet. Nigga wet. I'm back in the booth right now. Nigga wet, Go tell him I'm back, lil' Camo ain't corner, play no games. And I ain't even with that cap shit, you can't rap, big, tell him to stop on game. Big boy Ford on me right now, nigga make me mad, I tout that brain. Lil' Camo ain't going for nothing at all, nigga think he tough, I take that stain. Grow, nigga wet, only in my Glock I trick. Get that pay shit, that's a mud. Glock got dick, this big gon' butt. Grow, she seen that dog shit, guarantee that hoe gon' fuck. Better put your little shit up, cause if she look, that little hoe took. Put a button on back, that Glock, that bitch gon' sweep the whole street. Lil' Camo ain't shoot for mine, no car twin, stop right here, let me hop on feet. Let that free my twin from out that cell, we done got shit back on beat. And I been quiet, but I ain't forgot that nigga gon' die, that smoke on beat. I done got back on my bush, don't rock with sinners, that thing sweet. Nigga think he tappin' here, gon' catch a hollow tilt, tryna be a bullet. Hot shit hit him, minute wet, he done broken half, when time I click, can't hold my Glock, he might not pull it. Man, these fuck nigga really push it, grow. Tell him I'm back, lil' Camo ain't corner, play no games. And I ain't even with that cap shit, you can't rap, big, tell him to stop on game. Big boy Ford on me right now, nigga make me mad, I tout that brain. Lil' Camo ain't going for nothing at all, nigga think he tough, I take that stain. Grow, nigga wet, only in my Glock I trick. Get that pay shit, that's a mud. Glock got dick, this big gon' butt. Grow, she seen that dog shit, guarantee that hoe gon' fuck. Better put your little shit up, cause if she look, that little hoe took.